we need some input from you. Actually, we could not get the appropriate response from the team. If you see here, I have highlighted with yellow. So we are saying that inspection and test plan and related procedures are approved and same has been implemented. So first of all, do you have ITP?
Yeah, sure. Yes, we have ITP. ITP depends on each activity. Each activity at the side have separate ITP mentioned in the method of statement. It's like a procedure for the test procedure.
Already there, huh?
Yes, inspection test procedure. This one, it's including in each activity of our project. So it will guide us for the testing plan, which test should be submit, how the ITR will submit. It's like a plan for each activity.
Very good. Very good. And do you have any punch list for this project?
No additional. What punch list?
Punch list mean when you are doing any testing, any quality, you are doing any PHSER, so you identify some gap, some actions. So actions is called as a punch list. You have any punch list?
Yeah. We have the punch list. We are submitting it with the MS. We are submitting it together with the MS. For each activity, we have punch list.
Oh, yes. Very good. Oh.
This is the engineer Aqib with us, our QC engineer.
We have the punch list. For each activity, we are submitting with the MS. ITP, QCP, and checklist. All things we are submitting together.